The indicator which has never been wrong showed a buy signal. In this video, you are going to learn why Bitcoin might rise up to 200, 300,000. First one, I would share with you what kind of indicator we are talking about, how to read that indicator. And second one, I will share with you many examples in previous cycles in 2011, 2013, 17, 18, quite a lot of examples. That's why this video, my friends, will take approximately 5-10 minutes. Just watch it before I ask you to push like, subscribe to get more updates in the future from our channel, because every week we publish useful info for you. Let's start. Recently, a hash ribbons indicator showed a buy signal. What is a hash rate ribbons indicator? It shows to you two moving averages. First one, it is a moving average 30 and 60. Take a look here. What hash rate ribbons mean? It is two moving average per period 30 and 60 days. It shows to you average hash rate per 60 and 30 days. And when this stuff become red, that means 30-day indicator, it shows that current hash rate is dropping. And when you see something like this, what does it mean? A lot of red space. That means that 30 days hash rate get dropped so much, that indicator. And it shows to you that miners capitulate, miners stop mining. Why, for example, that happens this time? Because for a lot of people, when Bitcoin get dropped from 60K to 30K, mining become unprofitable. Second reason, it was that in China, because of shutdown of many mining factories, China government told to a lot of them, guys, run away, we don't need you. And many of them shut down mining factories. And after that, take a look, finally we have 30 days moving average breakup. In most cases in the history, that was a signal before a massive uprise. And I am sharing with you all of that examples. Take a look on this example. It was 2011 December. Take a look, hash rate 30 moving average broke back, and take a look what happened after that. After that, the price rise up by 56%. After that, take a look, additional breakout was. Take a look on this. And take a look after additional breakout, this one. Bitcoin rise up by 236%. Again here, do you see that again hash rate started to dropping and again broke. And after that, Bitcoin rise up by 5,280%. Oh my God, so much. Do you see that hash rate after that just increase and increase? After that, take a look on this one. Do you see finally Bitcoin made a pullback, hash rate finally started to capitulate, and again broke back, and again broke back. And from this moment, take a look, Bitcoin rise up from like 220 to approximately 1,000. After that, again hash rate get dropped, and again Bitcoin rise up so much. Take a look on this time. It was when Bitcoin rise to 4,000, and take a look here. Again, hash rate dropping, and after that come back and take a look what after the 292% uprise. Again, take a look here. Hash rate, what they did? Hash rate broke, and 46% uprise. Maybe it is the first example when after hash rate breakout, what had happened? Price after that made bigger and significant drop. Take a look here what happened. Significant drop of hash rate, and after that break up and 7,600. After that 7,600, the price rise up by 20% and moved into this range. Take a look here. Before this range breakout, hash rate again showed a beautiful buy signal, 100%. Again here, take a look, my friend. Again buy breakout, buy, and after that 235%. And finally, my friends, finally we have a new breakout. And at this moment, if only Bitcoin would rise up by 200%, it would be 140, 160%. It would be a price target 140, 160. Friends, if you have questions about this indicator, write into the comments what kind of questions do you have. Also, I invite you to join our free Telegram. There would be a link in description where I publish every such kind idea, every lessons, every article, and you will get direct notification into your cell phone. Also important to write your questions right now into a chat. That's why at this moment this indicator shows to us that there could be significant uprise. But my friends, what I would like to share with you is that some of you would say, would ask me, okay, Yuris, does it mean that we should buy right now? Remember, if you would open buy right now, remember that there could be a kind of pullback, because if you would take a look on previous situations, you would see that Bitcoin did many times a pullback. Even like if you would buy here, you would be right here, you would be right here. That means if you use this indicator for entry, you use it only for a long term. It is not for 1 day, it is for 1 year, 2 year. As big as better, because take a look here. It is 2015 and here 2018. My friends, that means if you would use this indicator right now, you should use it for a bigger period of time. And the second reason why I think that it might that rise really could happen, it is this one. Compare previous cycle of uprise on Bitcoin to a current cycle. Take a look. What does this indicator shows to you? It shows to you a spend of altcoins. What does it mean, altcoins? On-chain data of Bitcoin, you can see how long a person keeps the Bitcoin in a wallet. And imagine that, if a person keep Bitcoin for 2-3 years, we know it. And the really awesome service, Glassnode, that share it. Take a look what had happened on a previous cycle. During pullbacks, remember when Bitcoin first time dropped to 6 or 10K? After that had happened a pullback to this big pullback. Take a look what had happened. During that pullback, someone sold enormous amount of Bitcoins. Compare this amount of coins that got sold to this one. That means if that would be the same cycle, if we would expect that this would be a high, here there must be a big spend, and that would be a signal that there would be continue of a drop. But we don't have anything like that. That's the reason why at this moment I think that this uprise, it wasn't a high of this cycle, and there could be good and amazing uprise. That's why, my friends, if you have any questions, write in the comments. See you soon, and remember to keep Bitcoins, because I think there could be additional uprise. Take care.